This is the set aside prayer, and I chose it deliberately because Steve, and thank you, Steve, for sharing today your thoughts on the 12-step program, the AA 12-step program. And this, I understand, is a prayer that is sometimes used within the 12-step meetings. And it's a fabulous prayer to invite us to set aside everything we think we know. And we can do this because we are only love. So I'm going to invite each of you to read out loud, if you can see the words on the screen, to read them out and let that voice add depth and meaning to your heart as we speak the words together. Dear God, today help me set aside everything I think I know about you, everything I think I know about myself, everything I think I know about others, and everything I think I know about my own spiritual healing, for a new experience of myself, a new experience of my fellows, and my own awakening to my divine nature.